Reset your body in 5 days with zero food. Sounds extreme, but when done safely, prolonged fasting can unlock powerful health benefits. Think improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, cellular cleanup, mental clarity, and a genuine break for your digestive system. Many notice steadier energy and better glucose control after a fast. This video covers how a 5-day fast works, what happens on days 3 and 4, refeeding, and expert tips to do it right. Educational only, not medical advice. Fasting isn't for everyone. Talk to a qualified clinician before attempting a prolonged fast. First 24 hours, your body burns stored glycogen for energy. As glycogen depletes, you shift toward fat oxidation, liberating fatty acids for fuel. By day 2 to 3, ketones rise. Many feel clearer thinking as the brain uses ketones efficiently. Insulin drops, glucagon rises, signaling fat breakdown and metabolic switching. Cells begin recycling damaged components, a housekeeping mode linked to longevity in animal models. This isn't starvation for a healthy adult with adequate reserves. It's a controlled, time-bound reset to mobilize stored energy. Hydrate aggressively. Add electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium, to prevent headaches and lightheadedness. Plan low-stress days. Prioritize sleep and light movement like walks or stretching. Black coffee or plain tea can help hunger for some. Water remains the foundation. If you take medications, especially for blood sugar or blood pressure, get medical supervision. Stop and refeed if you experience warning signs, persistent dizziness, confusion, palpitations, or severe weakness. Autophagy is your cell's recycling system, breaking down and repurposing worn-out parts. Pioneering work on autophagy earned the 2016 Nobel Prize to Yoshinori Osumi, highlighting its biological importance. Human data are emerging, but longer fasts generally increase autophagy signals compared to short fasts. Think of it as spring cleaning at the cellular level, paired with hormonal shifts that support repair. Day 3. Glycogen is largely gone. Ketones are elevated. Hunger often eases as ghrelin pulses stabilize. You're burning fat, many report clearer focus, and inflammation markers may begin trending down. If you feel woozy, pause, hydrate, and consider extra electrolytes, or end the fast. Day 4. Deeper ketosis, low insulin, and higher growth hormone support fat use while helping preserve lean mass. Cellular cleanup may be robust now. Prioritize rest, electrolytes, and avoid intense training. Break the fast gently. Start with broth and easily digestible foods. Add fermented foods for gut support, then lean protein and healthy fats. Rebuild gradually over 24-48 hours. Be mindful of refeeding syndrome risk. Go slow and stay mineral aware. Potential benefits: improved insulin sensitivity, visceral fat reduction, cellular housekeeping, mental reset, and appetite recalibration. Keys to success: plan, hydrate, electrolytes, gentle movement, and medical oversight when needed. Done safely, a 5-day fast can be a powerful reset, not starvation. If you're curious, prepare well and listen to your body. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more science-backed health tips.